All right, guys, here is a walking tour of Jaco, Costa Rica. And yes, there will be some ladies of the night, so don't worry. This is about 6:30, 7 p.m., so the night hasn't even started. I just want to give you guys a quick little tour. I've been here for 3 years, so pretty much know everything that's going on here. Just want to let you see all the shops. Right now is the beginning of low season. To me, it's the best season. Everything's, cheaper and, lots to do with less tourists. I'm okay with that. As you can see, Thursday night, people are starting to come in from San Jose, tourism, other places. Right here's the bridge to the beach. And on the other side is just another bridge to not the beach. But here we go. We are starting to go downtown where most of the action is. If you guys are looking for pizza, I recommend this place for the best pizza. As you can see, a lot of places did get closed down due to not making so much money. So let's see what we got here. Some tourists, some locals. Weather's perfect, by the way. It just rained, a little humidity. That way to the beach. And then we keep on cruising. Check it out. Yeah, so this guy was trying to get me to, buy a tour. Can't blame him. But been on all the tours so far. Actually, I'm going to make some more videos about all the tours. But as you can see, some things are closed down. Restaurants, anything you want to eat, anything you want to drink, anytime, Jaco has it. I call it the Vegas of Costa Rica, the Devil's Playground. That's a new bar over there. Extremely hot inside, but very fun. It's the owners of Oz, if you guys heard of that bar before. Super popular bar. So we're just cruising. Ecstasy, that is a nightclub. Couple chicas walking down. There's Orange Pub, if you're familiar with it. That's a extremely popular place at night. This guy wanted me to go have a couple beers, obviously. I said no for this video. But if you drop in the comments that you want to see that kind of stuff, I'll be happy to do it. As you know, Jaco is a party town. Living here can be dangerous, and I mean in different ways. And we keep on cruising. And here comes a few massage. Hola massage. We're going to say no to that. We're going to keep on cruising. Sometimes you got to walk fast by the girls because they will follow you a little bit, harass you a little bit. Nothing crazy. You just got to make sure you're stern on what you want. So it seems like all the tourist places are open, obviously, for Thursday night. I know pharmacies close at 10, and we just keep cruising. In about 2 hours, the place just gets nuts. I will make a video of that because I know people want to see that. I just got to be careful with my phone. But this is Jaco, guys. It's nothing crazy, as in a good way. A lot of people say, oh, it's bad there. There's crime, there's this, there's that. There's nothing. Like Monday to Thursday, it's dead. All right, you can do whatever you want. The beach is dead, everything. But Friday, Saturday, Sunday, it is extremely packed. Nighttime is crazy. Anywhere from 8 p.m. to 2 a.m. The streets are just nuts with people. Drunk or not drunk, there was just people everywhere. So again, we're just cruising there. That guy got a chica for himself for the night. More souvenir shops, more places. That's a 24-hour convenience stores. And then we cruising. So guys, lots of stuff to do here. And as you can see the sign coming up, the infamous Jaco Casino. The infamous. People travel all over the world to come to the Jaco Casino. I mean, if that's your thing, you got to do what you got to do, but that is a jungle in there. Be prepared for the jungle. Keep your hand on your phone. There's some chicas already going to the Hotel Jaco. And yeah, as you can see, clear night, nothing going on. Just want you to see a quick walkthrough of Jacó. Like I said, in a couple hours this would be so packed I don't even know if I'd have my phone out. But you know what? That might be for a good video, right? Let's see what happens. So we're just cruising here. There's not too much going on this side. We passed all the main bars. There is a strip down the way called Jacó Walk, which I'm gonna make another video of. But I just want to kind of get this out there, show you guys the main area in Jacó. I'm just gonna walk up to that blue sign, Max of Menos. That's where I shop, guys. I recommend if you're shopping and you want good quality food, that's where you go. Even fruit and meat is pretty much all I eat. But if you want all the goodies and all that kind of stuff, it has absolutely everything in there. I mean, I don't need all that kind of stuff, but if you're into all that, it has everything. But especially the fruit and meat is very fresh. So I make sure that I always go there. That would be the biggest grocery tip. I live here, so it's different. Most people eat at restaurants every day. I barbecue every day. So you got to pick your poison. And that's a wrap, guys. If you want some more videos of walkthroughs, I'm just going to keep loading them up. Let me know where you want to go.